Dozens of kids who have been skipping school were in court tonight with their parents.
A lot of people don't realize there's a law against truancy, but there is a law and the consequences can be tough. Here's News 13's Jim Winchester.
And Diane, more than 80 students and their parents were summoned before Valencia County Magistrate Tina Gallegos tonight, and she essentially laid down the law.
So I'm talking to Candy, right?
High school freshman Candy Nip and her mother Teresa are just one of many students and parents facing Magistrate Tina Gallegos.
Tonight's hearing is basically just to inform you as the parent of Candy that we got a little problem. Okay, this is our first flag. This is our first warning.
If Candy continues to skip school, in a worst case scenario, she could lose her driver's license and her mother could go to jail.
They're not playing around. Our kids, are kind of normal, but they all need a kick in the butt. We need a kick in the butt.
Sometimes the parents aren't always aware of a child who might skip a class or two, but this is going to bring awareness to that.
When the judge revealed that Candy has had 9 unexcused absences since January 1st, Teresa was surprised. In some of them, Candy really was sick and her mother never notified the school. But Candy admitted the other days she just skipped.
It's pretty much we just don't want to go to class. And it's so easy to ditch at the school, so.
Technically, it's the law. You have to go to school.
Tonight it was only verbal warnings, but if there's a next time, juvenile probation will be called in, and the consequences could be ugly.
I see the problems. I know the problems. I think it's, it's that time.
From now on, though, what are you going to do?
Go to class. Yeah, because I don't want to come back here and, go through all this again.
And those students and parents that didn't show up as required tonight will automatically be turned over to juvenile probation. Diane, back to you.
All right, Jim. Now, earlier this month, 24 kids skipped school in Los Lunas to take advantage of Denny's free Grand Slam breakfast special, but they were all caught when Denny's turned them in. The Denny's is right next to the high school. Those kids will now face the judge next week.